Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to show you guys my unboxing of my Boxy charm, and this is the one for April. And basically it's a subscription service where you can get like 5 to 6 items of products that are full size. So say for example like makeup, skincare, nail polish, etc., and it's only $21 a month. So that's a really good deal for products that are full size, and you get products from like different brands that are really known out there. It's a really good deal for a subscription box. I can't even say that. Like, I don't know why I can't say that word, subscription. Like, it's a really good deal. So I've been with Boxy Charm since November of last year. So far the service for me, like the things that I've been getting, is pretty good. Some of them were a miss for me, but this month's box, I'm excited about. So I'm gonna show you how the inside looks, and I'm really excited with everything that I'm getting this month, and I can't wait for June's Boxy looks. I can't wait for that. I got the one for March, but I didn't do a video on it only because I felt like this type of video doesn't get a lot of views as my other videos. But I enjoy doing videos like this because you never know, like whoever is not signed up with Boxy Charm and they're interested, or they're still hesitant on wanting to sign up and stuff, like this is like a good video of a reference for anyone who is like wanting to try Boxy Charm. But when I always have to see the bigger YouTubers, for example, like I noticed like some of them are getting paid just to show the stuff from Boxy Charm, and they always say good things about it, and I feel like sometimes they're not always truthful. This is not a sponsored video. This is not like any ad or anything. I pay for this monthly, and you know, it's just my true opinion. So this theme is peace, love, and Boxy, and this is how it looks. And it's supposed to be like Coachella vibes from what I've seen on the website and also on their page. So I'm gonna start off with the first product, and this is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder, and this is how it looks. This is the box, and I really like the packaging on this. It's like black marble. So this one, it was either you were gonna get this shade, which is Summer Haze, or the other one, which is like a light purple one. I'm glad I didn't get that one. I got the one that's more gold, and this is Summer Haze. This is how it looks, and I'm gonna show you a swatch of this. I mean, you can't really see it that much. For me, you would have to really make this work on the skin if you're lighter skin tone as I am. But if you're medium to deeper skin tone, this will look so good on you. I feel that with this one, they should have just had like the lighter one that they have, like from what Angel has in his collection. I have the lightest one. I forgot the name of it. I'll post it right here on the screen. But that one is like super stark white, and it's really nice. I feel like with that one, it gives you like that beaming glow to the skin. So that one is Summer Haze from Artist Couture. The next product is Luxie. Oh, I forgot. I didn't tell you the price of this. So this retails for $27. The highlighter. Now this one, the Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set, this retails for $28. Man, that's a lot for 3 pieces. $28. Okay, so let me cut this open with a scissor. So with Luxie, I've always enjoyed Luxie brushes. Like, I feel like they're really good quality. So this is how the packaging looks, and when you open it, it contains 3 brushes. Ooh, I love the handles on these. It's not only gold and pink, but look at the bottom. It's like that ombre mustard shade effect. So these are the brushes right here. They're super pretty, and I really like how they come with like a concealer brush, a regular brush. Does it say on here what it is? A small shader brush, a large shader brush, and a blending brush. This one I feel like you can use to blend out your concealer, but it is a bit flimsy. But I mean, if you want to really diffuse that concealer really good, because I like to use the other one from Morphe for under the eyes, and I feel like that works so good. So maybe I could use this as well. And then these, I'm always looking for like a good blending brush, not a blending brush, but like a concealer brush. Like, look how this looks. It's super flat, and if you trim it a bit, this will be great for the crease area. Like, look how thin that looks. The next item is Starlooks Ultra Gem Long Wear Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Cosmic, and this is how it looks. I was expecting like a black eyeliner, so let me swatch on the back of my hand. You could barely see that. Oh, it broke. Oh, heck no. Okay, this is a swatch right there. I feel like that was such a bad, like, it broke. Look. Man, I'm not too happy with this product. So this retails for $19. This next item is from Butter London, and is their Power Up Mascara. And this is a very big jumbo mascara. This retails for $20. I didn't know they carry mascaras. I thought it was just nail polish. The wand, you could tell is like a plastic wand, but I don't really like how that looks. Like, I feel like it's gonna transfer on my lid and stuff, like with this type of bristle. I'll give it a try. The last item I'm excited about, this is the Pure Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette, and it comes with 12 eyeshadows, and these are the eyeshadows. This is the card, and I really like that they threw in this type of palette. It screams summertime, spring and summer. So I'm gonna open this for you guys, and while I'm opening it, I'm gonna tell you the price of this. So this is from Pure, and this retails for $36. That's pretty pricey for a palette like this. Oh, what came in here too is this Pure Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. You see? I was feeling something in the box, but I didn't know what it was. So it came with that. I literally destroyed the box. So this is the palette. And let me see if it's not broken inside. Nope, it's well contained, and excuse me, it's well contained and is like taped down so that it doesn't move around. There's other palettes out there in the market, like ColourPop and the Beauty Crop. They have palettes that look like this. So for Pure to come out with a palette like this, that's the first thing that came to my mind. Okay, so that's the palette right there, and oh my gosh, look at that neon pink and these glitters right here, these pressed glitters. I'm gonna do a look with this palette pretty soon. It's so pretty. I have so many other palettes to go through and do looks with them. So if you want to see a look me using this, let me know in the comments. All right, so that's everything in this box. I hope you enjoyed the video. Came with all of that, and you can do like a full face with this whole entire box, like your eyeshadow, highlighter, mascara, eyeliner, stuff like that, and you have brushes with this, so you're all set. So if you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when my videos post and stuff like that. And also you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm gonna post them on the screen right here for you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.